come to the one most important point. When I change myself, if I say, I take solemn vow from determination that I will keep on increasing my concentration to have good mathematics in my life, good science student, good technical, engineering, medical or music, anything, then what changes happens in our system? If why education system was important for majority, not for a special gifted person like Yogananda and others. Because when you try to focus, increase concentration, and try to increase intensity of concentration more and more, how to become the best in science and technology, or in music, or in any technical things, then what happens? The life force starts moving inside. From there it starts moving upward, and more concentration you will find life force will be in this area, cervical plexus, thoracic and lumbar plexus. This is the area. But if you do not have interest in math, in science, in technical education, by practicing initiation steps, you get a direct power how to become scientist in all walks of life. You can increase your focus wherever you want. You can place your focus to solve any problems. Because when you practice initiation steps, then what happens? We are placing our concentration of mind awareness inside head and spine. With a certain technology, we want to drag life force flowing in the spinal nerve, cranial nerve, inside brain spinal cord, and journey starts moving up. This is what happens during initiation steps. Therefore, practicing Kriya Yoga with initiation is the compulsory, simplest pathway how to become the great person of concentration. And we want concentration to solve any problems, the day-to-day problems, problems in the home, in the society, in the nation, anywhere in the world. And try to do anything, be the best person, but you cannot learn how to focus concentration in medullary area. But in Kriya Yoga you are able to place concentration here, to drag all life force, you can place it here, then you can demonstrate conscious departure. Conscious death and conscious arise. You can die at will, you can arise at will. This is not possible by any other determination. This is only possible through this technique. This is called, my knowledge is sleeping. I was not knowing that there is no death. Now I realize what is death. I know how to arise. That is called awakening of self up to the fullest extent, which is technically called Kundalini Jagaran. Intuition. Therefore, Kriya Yoga is the most important education. In this, you have not to do very hard work to become engineer, doctor, musician, or any scientific person. Just practice directly. You get the same what you are going to achieve when you place highest concentration of mind on something. Therefore, this is called the science of all sciences. Because through this practice, you become scientists in all walks of life. You have to become best mathematician so that you must forget to eat when you are solving the math. But that's a difficult task. But in this, when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation without initiation, then automatically you are going to maintain that physiology, that function, that configuration of life force within. Then what happens during practice, we try to suck the life force from the spinal nerve, cranial nerve, and we are bringing here. But when we are practicing Kriya Yoga, what mistake we do, we try to measure our achievement, how far we reached. we should not do this. When practice time comes, feel great joy, as time has come, now let us rush. And when you are practicing, try to practice with the greatest devotion. Apply your all power of mind and intelligence to practice it, and be satisfied that we did it. Again, when morning session comes, you should come in advance, you should be very happy to join immediately. Moment you are showing this kind of joy and happiness, then realize this truth. Banat banat banjai. One day you will achieve that stage. You will become scientist in all walks of life. And this is what we need to help a nation, to help all nations of the world, and to help personal and family help, everything.